think after that we need to create something like, though it's not compulsory, something like, let's say a a closet here, right? A closet. Okay, let's just quickly do that. Let's quickly do that. Let's kind of create a closet here. So let me just increase this. Let's say 1,000. It's too high. Okay. Let me reduce it by 500. Okay, I think this is okay. And then offset 230, right? Okay. Let's check this out. Let me increase this a little bit. 200. 200, right? Okay. And let's, what is it called? So here we'll be having our closets, more or less like a cupboard or a wardrobe, which is also among the furnitures, right? So let us just go ahead and make a simple design for that, right? Okay. Okay. I think we're good to go. Let's just kind of do something like this also. Okay, we're good to go. So let us just mirror it to the other end also to have that here. Okay, and let us just change this out also. So we are having our closet here, right? Okay, now let's go on and check for our kitchen cabinet, which is still under furnitures, and also our living room design, right? Okay, let's just go and then let's use a plasma TV for our living room, and then let's go ahead and look for chairs that we can use. Okay, should we use this or this sofas? Okay, let me just use this sofas. And then also for our kitchen, right? Our kitchen cabinets, they are there. I think I saw it somewhere around here earlier. Okay, we're having this, right? Okay, let's just select this. I don't want us to start selecting them one by one, like electrical connectors. Let's just select the whole of this and we'll adjust them later. So let's just go ahead and copy and bring it here, and then let's paste it under our furnitures, right? Okay, we are good to go. Let's change everything to our furnitures, right? Okay, I think this will still be needing some kind of editing and so on, but let's leave that for now. Let's go ahead. Now this is our living room, right? If you enter through here, where do you think our TV can be? Probably around here, somewhere around here, right? And the chairs will be arranged facing here like this, right? Okay, let's go ahead and bring in our TV. See the sets. Okay, let me fix it here first and I'll move it later. Let's rotate. Right? Okay, and let me move it to the center here. Okay, I think we are good to go. Then we'll just go ahead and bring in our sofas and our armchairs. Okay, let's do that. Let's bring in our long chair first, which is the sofa, the long sofa. Okay, let's rotate it. Okay, let's kind of adjust it a little bit. Okay, I think we're good to go. Okay, let me bring it down a little bit. Yeah, okay, let's bring this in, right? Okay, so we're having this around somewhere here, right? And this, we can just rotate it before bringing it in, right? And then let's move. Okay, and then we can just, should we double it or should just leave it like this? I think let's move it up a little bit. Okay, let's just move everything up a little bit. Right. Okay, so let's kind of copy this. Let's copy this. So we're having something like this, right? I think this is kind of cool. Okay, let's kind of bring in a stool here and a stool here also. Let's do that. Let's bring in a small stool. Let's use this, maybe a circular. And let's say maybe a table in the middle. Yeah, let's do that. Copy. Okay, space. And let's change it to furniture, right? And let's bring this in as our table here, right? Okay, let's drop it here. And this also, and let's bring this in here and let's copy and bring here also. Wow, I think this is kind of fantastic. Okay, we can just select everything and move it back a little bit, but not completely because there should be kind of a free space for movement here. Anybody that is entering can come to the toilet here and can easily move and enter here, right? I think it's kind of cool. What is just left for us to fix in our kitchen cabinet here, right? Okay, we just need to edit this a little bit. And for us to edit, since it's a block, you cannot just easily edit it like that. So there is a way we can edit it. Now, let us first of all go ahead and fix the kitchen cabinets inside the kitchen to where we want it to actually be. So let us just move it, right? And then let's bring it to this corner here. But if you should notice, the sink is here, but it's actually supposed to be close to the window area, right? The sink. So let us just see if we can rotate it. Let's rotate. Oh, not like this. Let's rotate it again. Okay, now let's move it. Yeah, so I think what is left for us to do now is to just adjust this, right? Maybe bring this closer to the wall over here, right? And make our kitchen a little bit longer, the kitchen cabinet, right? Okay, so first of all, let's take the measurement of this inner part of our kitchen here. This is 3,600. Okay.